Good afternoon, this is Megan Lambeth, your Richmond County Tourism Director with This Week in Richmond. We are here at Rockingham Dragway where the NMRA, NMCA All-Star Nationals are already underway with some testing going on. This event will last throughout the weekend and finish on Sunday. The opening ceremony this Saturday at 12:30 will feature the RCC Choir singing the national anthem. Tickets are available online. You can see the Rockingham Dragway Facebook page, website, or Instagram. Also, look up NMRA, NMCA All-Star Nationals. I hope to see you this weekend out here at Rockingham Dragway. There's live music in town tonight in 2 locations. At the Berry Patch, there is a free outdoor concert that will start at 6 p.m. with the Silk Groove. A pizza truck will also be available for your supper. And at Cole Auditorium, the Charlotte Symphony is in town. That will start at 7 p.m. and tickets are available at the box office. Live music will also be in town tomorrow night at Hudson Brothers with Flossie, Fletch, and Chuck Smith. Karaoke will be at Double Vision. Hail Mary's Tavern will have their Friday specials along with the lounge at Godfathers in Rockingham. On Saturday, the 15th, in addition to the event out here at Rockingham Dragway with the All-Star Nationals, there will be the 22nd annual Millstone Men Barbecue Cook. You can see more information online. Max Gardner has information posted about that sale that will be all day Saturday. Ideal Farms in Hamlet will have a yard sale, and that night Preston Duffy will be at Double Vision. Bowtie Karaoke will be at Hail Mary's Tavern. For more information on these events and other upcoming events here in Richmond County, see our website, visit richmondcounty.com. Follow us on Facebook, Visit Richmond County, on Instagram, Richmond Tourism, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Visit Richmond County NC. See you next week.